What's up guys, LS1 Houston Entertainment here, and today I will be plasti dipping the back rear diffuser part of the C5 Corvette. So it is all along that line that will be plasti dipped. Here is my choice of plasti dip. This is black, of course, and first step will be to, getting everything covered and laid out nicely. So I'll get back to y'all whenever that's all done and spraying the first coat, hopefully. Okay, so I finally got it all masked off and everything. Make sure all the tape's even and the whole outline's going to look good. Next up is me getting my first coat on, actually. So let me go ahead and set you guys up. You'll see it. You see it right there. And yes, I did clean the surface already, so everything should go on pretty good. Need to get something to sit on. I'm gonna want to go ahead and get even coats. I'll just sit on the ground. Alright, I won't bore you guys with the rest of the first coat, but I'll get back to y'all whenever it's basically done, really. Alright, so I've got the first coat on so far. This is how it's looking. Everything's masked off, and hopefully whenever I peel the tape I won't have that much of an issue, but I'll get back to y'all whenever it's done, for real this time. Alright, so I got all the paper off now, and here's the finishing product. Came out looking pretty good. Not all the corners and edges are exactly perfect, but I don't think y'all would be able to tell unless you did it yourself. But that's the end of the plasti dip DIY for the rear diffuser part. Alright, now that I have the rear diffuser part on my C5 Vet all plasti dipped and done, I want to show y'all that is just going to be like that for the meantime until I get enough money for, let me see, that $559.20. But let me see, this is going to be the rear diffuser that I'm actually going to end up getting. Let's look at the photos. That's a side shot of it. There goes the rear end. I'm going to have 4 exhaust tips, not 2. But it is a pretty mean looking setup. Let me see all these different photos that they're showing us. It'll definitely look better in person, but I'm personally a fan of all the grooves that it has on it. But yeah, y'all, so that plasti dip setup will be like that for the meantime until I'm able to go ahead and purchase that. But I'm not sure if that will be the first cosmetic mod that I do. I honestly, let me do a spoiler alert, I honestly want to make my whole interior carbon fiber first. So, well, that should be it for this video, y'all. Y'all have a great day, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.